Hi guys, today I've got 3 really quick and easy Christmas party hairstyles for you. We're going to start off with this beautiful, elegant chignon. To start, I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears. And I'm just going to clip this out of the way on the right hand side while I take the same size section on the left. Bring these two sections together at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Then I've just used a little bit of spray wax to control the flyaways. I'll pop all the products I use below. Next, take a chunk of hair on the left hand side and I'm going to do a simple 3-strand braid, working my way down about 2/3 of the hair. Gently use your fingers to pinch and pull the edge of the braid to make it more voluminous, and then secure everything off with another elastic band. I'm going to take the same size section on the right hand side and create one more braid, the same as I did on the other side. Now I've got a topsy tail tool and I'm just going to slip this behind the left hand section. You can do this with your fingers, but it is definitely easier with this hair tool. Take the right hand braid, pass the ends through the loop and then pull it all the way through. Then just secure with a bobby pin or two. And then I'm going to put that hair tool on the right hand side. Take the left hand braid, cross it over and pass the ends through the loop. And again, pull it all the way through. Then secure with another couple of bobby pins. Pop the rest of the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to add some texture powder, and I'm just going to put this right on top of the ponytail. Then I'm gently going to tease the top few inches and then pop a clear elastic band about halfway down the ponytail. I've cut up a bun donut, so I've got a little bit of padding and I'm just folding it into a small rectangle shape. I'm just going to spread the top of that ponytail out and lay the padding on top. Bring your ends up and over the padding and then start rolling it towards the nape of the neck. And we're going to make sure we want to roll it so you can't see the elastic band, and then just use your fingers to spread it out over the padding and secure all the way around that chignon with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2, I have this beautiful messy braided bun. To start, I'm going to divide off the crown area of the hair. Hold this in your hand at the back of the head and give it one full twist. Then to secure, I'm going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of the twist. Crisscross your bobby pins for more security. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair for more volume and texture. Next, I'm going to take all the hair from the left hand side from the ear forwards. Then take the same size section on the right hand side and bring these together at the back of the head and secure them into a ponytail. Next, pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band and pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then gently pinch and pull each twist for more volume. With the remaining hair, just pop this into a 3-strand braid, securing it with an elastic band. and I'm going to add some texture powder all along my braid. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then, using your fingers, start pinching and pulling at the edge of the braid on the right hand side to make it more voluminous. And then repeat on the left hand side of the braid. Take hold of the braid and give it a few twists in one direction. And then we're going to take the tail ends and roll them up, and then continue rolling it up the braid until it meets the head. Secure this all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. I love how effortless this one is. Now moving on to the third and final hairstyle, I've got this simple chignon. To start, I'm going to section out a little bit of hair at the front to frame the face on both sides. Then I'm going to add some volume powder to the roots around the crown area. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Now I've decided to add a little bit of teasing to the crown for a bit of volume, but if you don't like backcombing you can skip this step. Once you've got everything backcombed, smooth it over with the very tip of your comb, and then I'm going to secure the hair into a low ponytail. I apply some wax spray all over the top of the head to help with flyaways, and then I use my fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create some more volume and texture. Next, split the ponytail in half and start loosely wrapping the sections around one another to create a twist. Do this all the way to the bottom of the hair. Then secure it with a clear elastic band. I'm going to pull up a strand on top of that ponytail of the elastic band, and I'm going to pass the end of the twist to my fingers and pull it through that elastic band. Taking hold of that twisted loop, I'm gently going to turn this over towards the nape of the neck, hold in place, and then just pin all the way around the outside of that chignon with as many bobby pins as needed. Then finally curl the hair at the front away from the face. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which one was your favourite hairstyle in the comments section below.